Welcome to Ace My Exams Learning. Let us get started with today's learning.
Religion Studies Grade 12. Question. In the context of religion, write facts on ecumenism. Ecumenism is a significant modern religious concept that emerged strongly in the 20th century, aimed at fostering greater unity among different Christian groups and later extending to interfaith cooperation. It reflects humanity's growing desire for peace, reconciliation, and dialogue across diverse traditions of faith, making it an essential movement in a world of increasing religious and cultural interaction. At its foundation, ecumenism refers to cooperation and unity among the various Christian denominations. This principle seeks to overcome centuries of division between churches such as the Roman Catholic, Protestant, and Eastern Orthodox communities. Instead of focusing on theological differences that once led to schisms and rivalries, ecumenism emphasizes the shared heritage of Christianity, including belief in Jesus Christ, the Bible, and core moral teachings. For example, joint prayer services, shared humanitarian initiatives, and the World Council of Churches highlight how denominations can collaborate while respecting their differences. Over time, the vision of ecumenism expanded beyond the Christian context, and today the term has broadened to include unity among various religions also. This broader definition reflects recognition that peace and harmony cannot be achieved by one faith community alone. Dialogue now includes cooperation between Christians, Muslims, Jews, Hindus, Buddhists, and others. Interfaith initiatives, such as peace summits in Assisi led by the Pope, or United Nations-sponsored interreligious dialogues, demonstrate how different faiths can work together to address global issues such as war, climate change, and social justice. These efforts reveal how ecumenism has developed into a wider call for mutual respect and peaceful coexistence. Furthermore, the ecumenical movement is growing stronger as good interreligious relationships are being encouraged. This strength can be seen in the promotion of reconciliation in areas of conflict where religion has been a dividing factor, such as in Northern Ireland, the Middle East, or parts of Africa. Churches and interfaith councils now actively encourage dialogue and peace-building, demonstrating that unity in diversity is both possible and necessary. Humanitarian responses to natural disasters, refugee crises, and global poverty often unite believers of different traditions, turning ecumenical ideals into real action that benefits humanity as a whole. Hence, ecumenism has evolved from being a call for cooperation between Christian denominations to a broader movement that fosters dialogue and unity among the world's religions. By creating bridges of understanding, it promotes peace, justice, and mutual respect, proving that religious diversity can be a source of strength rather than division.
To access more learning and exam preparation materials, go to www.acemyexams.coza. This link is also in the video description below. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and be the first to know when we upload new videos.